Okay, so here we have a rational expression, 2x plus 2 over 10x squared plus 18x plus 8. So the directions would be to simplify the expression. So you should just think simplify. Anything dealing with fractions just mean make sure it's lowest terms. When we look at this fraction, we cannot determine if it's lowest terms or not until we break it down in its factored form. So we need to factor the numerator and we're going to factor the denominator. So I like to separate my page so that I can factor each piece. So 2x plus 2 is a binomial, two terms. So we look for a GCF, and there actually is a GCF. So I'm going to factor out a 2. So I get x plus 1 left. And I can't factor anymore. So now we're going to factor our denominator. So 10x squared plus 18x plus 8. So when we look at this, you should always look for a greatest common factor in anything when you're factoring. 10, 18, and 8 all share a 2. They all don't have x's, so the only thing I can factor out is a 2. 5x squared plus 9x plus 4. So now I have a trinomial that I have to see if I can factor. So I see that my a is not 1, so I'm going to do a times c. So factors of 20 that can create a 9 are going to be 5 and 4. So I'm going to say 5x squared plus 5x plus 4x plus 4, because I write my 4 terms so that I can factor by grouping. And I know that this is correct because 5 plus 4 equals 9. 5 times 4 equals a positive 20. So I'm going to split my problem. And I'm going to factor out the GCF for each part. So my two sets of parentheses are the same. I know I did it correctly. So I just rewrite my problem. X plus 1 times 5x plus 4. Don't forget to bring your GCF down. That's very important. So now you're going to rewrite the given rational expression using the factored parts instead of the polynomial pieces. So 2x plus 2 is going to be rewritten. And then my 10x squared plus 18x plus 8 is going to be rewritten. So now this is what I'm looking at. And so our goal is to see if we can simplify, meaning lowest terms. So you're looking for like factors, because a factor over itself creates a 1. So we can cancel out. 2 can cancel with a 2. X plus 1 can cancel with x plus 1. So that's going to leave us with 1 over 5x plus 4. And that's it.